Golden Jubilee celebrations of Andhra Mahasabha. It is indeed a great pride for us to celebrate these 50 years of existence, because not many associations have this opportunity. A small resume of Andhra Mahasabha started 50 years back on a Vijayadashami day by my late father, Dr. Nallam Satyanarayana, with a group of 10 persons. The ultimate motive was to cater the needs of the Telugu community, which is quite huge in Pondicherry. We didn't have facilities for Telugu library or Telugu teaching, and most of the people who are settled here, right from Vijayanagaram period, they still continue to talk Telugu, but they forgot to read and write. So my father thought there is an absolute need of starting a small Sabha. And later on, this Sabha has grown to a full-fledged association of more than 450 members. And we started not only catering the needs of the Telugu community, but also trying to extend our services to the public of Pondicherry, who have been kind enough to accept this Telugu community. Among our various activities, we tried to give our hall, community hall, free for free marriages, for our friendly associations like Gujarat, Kerala or any other association. We give free our hall. We have got a very good active Andhra Mahila Mandali section, who is very popular among the women organization in Pondicherry. At this juncture, I want to thank, first of all, our Chief Minister was kind enough to be the chief guest today in spite of his various engagements. And our CM has been always had a sympathetic and a very appreciative note for our Sabha's activities. Thank you, sir. My special thank is for our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Chinna Rajappa. In spite of a very busy schedule, particularly after the inauguration of the capital of Andhra Pradesh, new capital, Amaravati, and in spite of this, he somehow squeezed. He had also a very important meeting with Chandrababu Naidu, but somehow he squeezed one or 2 community people. Thank you, sir. Pondicherry is very lucky to have both Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha members belonging to Telugu community. But one difference is, whether it is our Mr. Radhakrishnan or Mr. Gokulakrishnan or myself, even though we hail from Andhra Pradesh, we have been almost born and brought up in Pondicherry. So we have completely integrated with the Tamil population and our friends around us. So thank you, sir, for both of you to grace this occasion. I thank also Mr. Parvatam Satyanarayana is a very popular figure in his circumcision, and I also thank him on behalf of Andhra Mahasabha. One gentleman today is absent is Dr. Rabindranath, a very popular gastroenterologist from Andhra Pradesh, who was chairman of Global Hospitals. In the last moment, he had, I think, he was stuck on with viral disease and was not able to make it. But anyhow, he sent his representative, Mr. Bhaskar Reddy. Thank you, sir. Now, I have to thank all the committee members who toil day and night to organize this celebration. I have to particularly thank the two pillars of Andhra Mahasabha, Dr. Rangarao and Srinivasulu. I have to thank the souvenir committee led by Dr. Satish and with his team, Mr. S.N. Rao, Nallam Suresh, Vishnu. They have done a wonderful job. Actually, when we decided to celebrate, we sent an appeal, not an appeal, we sent an information to all the members in India and abroad. We said we are going to celebrate Golden Jubilees of Andhra Mahasabha. I don't know, I never expected the response. It was really very surprising and very pleasantly surprising that we got so much of congratulation letters along with envelopes, checks. Night from France, America, Mauritius, Australia, and naturally in India. And here I have to thank particularly the Tamil community, the Kerala Samajam, and all these people who readily came forward to help to make this function a success. Thank you. I want to also seize this opportunity to thank the family members of the first committee of Andhra Mahasabha. Unfortunately, we are able to gather only 3 or 4 people who have come all the way from Bangalore, Madras, etc. And we thank them for being present today. Mahila Mandali members have done a wonderful job, not because the present Mahila Mandali president is my wife, but I'm very proud to say that the ladies of our Sangam I've been doing a wonderful job. They have really acclaimed as one of the best women association of Pondicherry, because not only because of their action, because they interact so well with other associations, other women associations. So I again felicitate them, and you are a pride for us. I don't want to extend my speech because there are a lot of people going to talk. So once again, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Of Andhra Mahasabha, Chevalier Dr. Nallam V. to honor our guest, Sri N. Rangasamy, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Sri N. Rangasamy, Chief Minister of Puducherry. Sri Chinnarajappa Garu, Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and also Home Minister. Sri Gokula Krishna Garu. Sri Gokula Krishna Garu, Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha. Sri Satyanarayana Murthy Garu, President, East Godavari District, Telugu Desam Party. Sri R. Radhakrishna, Member of Parliament of Lok Sabha. శ్రీ సత్యనారాయణ మూర్తి గారు, ప్రెసిడెంట్, ఈస్ట్ గోదావరి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్, తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ. On behalf of Dr. Ravindranath, Chairman of Global Hospital, we request Mr. Bhaskar Reddy, General Manager of Global Hospital, to receive the honor. Honoring the descendants of founder members of the committee.
గారిని స్మరించుకుంటూ వారి జ్ఞాపకార్థంగా వారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులైన శ్రీ నల్లాం రాముడు గారిని జ్ఞాపకంగా అందజేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం.
Andhra Mahasabha was started in the year 1963 on the initiative of Dr. Nallam Satyanarayana with few friends on Vijayadashmi Day in a rented house.
శ్రీమతి వెంకటస్వామి నాయుడు గారి ఆర్క్సన్
Mr. Kavichetti Narayana Swami Garu, represented by his son we request Mr. Babu to come to the dais.
వీంద్రు ఆంధ్ర మహాసభ స్థాపకులు వ్యవస్థాపిక నిర్వహించిన కామిచెట్టి నారాయణ స్వామి గారి తరఫున కామిశెట్టి బాబు గారు పురస్కారం అందుకుంటున్నారు. ఆంధ్ర మహాసభ వ్యవస్థాపకుల నిర్వహించిన వారి తరఫున ఎన్ రాధాకృష్ణన్, మిస్టర్ ఎన్ రాధాకృష్ణన్ తరఫు నుంచి వారి కూతురు అమ్ములు జ్ఞాపక ఎంవిఎస్ మూర్తి గారు, మిస్టర్ కల్వే సుబ్రహ్మణ్య చెట్టియార్,
Sir, we request you to felicitate for 2 minutes.
It's a happy occasion given to me, yes, to speak to you. A long association with this Andhra Mahasabha and its leader, Dr. Nallam, has given me this occasion, and I wish the function a great success.
Mr. Lalit Modi Garu. We request to speak for 2 minutes.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Namaskaram to all. History has witnessed that the people of Andhra always rose and fought for rightful causes both at the national and local levels. During the Nizam's rule, the desires of the Telugu people were suppressed, and on 12th of November 21, Mr. Alapalli Venkatarama Rao, an advocate, spoke in Telugu at the Nizam State Social Conference and was abused. On that particular night, a Sangam called Andhra Jana Sangam was formed, which was later named Andhra Mahasabha. This Andhra Mahasabha in Pondicherry